Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update to the latest graphics driver of Nvidia graphics card in your Windows 11. So first of all, if you have an Nvidia graphics card, you probably already have an GeForce Experience app here. So if you don't have that GeForce Experience app, you just need to go to any browser here, go to Google and search for GeForce Experience. Then click on this nvidia.com with the GeForce Experience. And then you just need to download this app here. Just download and just simply install the GeForce Experience. And after installing the GeForce Experience, you just need to go to search bar and search for your GeForce Experience app there. Just type here GeForce Experience. Now open the GeForce Experience app. After opening the GeForce Experience app, you will have home and drivers here. In the home, you will have all the games that you have installed in your PC, and it just also you have to log in with the Google account or any other account in the Gmail here in the GeForce Experience here. And to update your driver, you need to click on these drivers. And after opening the drivers option, you will have that currently installed version and also the available for your graphics driver here. So if you don't have the latest update here, you just need to click on this check for update option and it will start to search for your latest driver here. And then what you need to do is just click on this download option. Currently, I have the latest driver in pause now, so you will have the download option here. So just click on this download and it will start to download your graphics driver for your Nvidia. And after finishing the download, you will have the install button here. Just click install and it will automatically install in your graphics driver. So that's it, guys. This is how you download and install and update your graphics driver, Nvidia graphics driver in Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.